Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am going to do a series of 13 days of Halloween, and I'm going to show you some mini albums, hoping you have inspiration, you get inspiration from these. So today I'm showing you quick little waterfall minis, and I know everybody's familiar with these. I'm sure I have a tutorial on my channel on how I did similar ones, although not exactly. This was done with some doodlebug paper from maybe 3 or 4 years ago. The cover on the spine has this purple dragon paper. It's purple. It doesn't look purple in the camera, but it matches with this purple nicely. It looks like handmade paper, but it has been in my stash and I've had it for a while, so I use that. And I know I do have a tutorial on how I do this elastic and the brad and eyelet closure. So if you're curious as to how I did that, there is a tutorial on that. And I've done how-tos in some of my videos. So the good thing about this is a great gift. If you were going to someone's house for a Halloween party, you could bring something like this. It wouldn't take very long to make. In this case, the photos really are taking center stage. But if you were to have Instax photos, you could put them right on here, or bring your Instax camera to the party. And if you cut down the photos, great, but you don't necessarily need to. So, but look, if you had a small square photo, that would fit nicely on there. And same over here, you could put your photos and maybe grab some orange paper and journal down at the bottom. Now these waterfall pages actually have a pocket. So either you could use that for journaling or small photos. I have to figure out what size Instax makes their pictures, because I don't know. Here's using one of the cut aparts, and it's held on with a magnet. And I have some of this beautiful bat paper. If you can say bat paper is beautiful. And again, a hidden pocket right there. And then this opens up to show you the waterfall in the back. Room to put a photo here on the page. That would fit a nice 4x6 photo if you wanted to. Oh, and there's the family picture, but I will show you that in an album that it actually fits. So you could put a picture right there, but you don't have to. You could save your pictures for on these pages. And the reason I don't have paper on both sides of the pages is because it tends to use a lot of space, and I'd rather save room for your photos. So that is a quick waterfall mini. Let me show you this Bow Wow one. I think I got this paper last year or possibly the year before. It was a animal themed Halloween paper, and I thought it was adorable. Obviously this is the dog themed paper. Lick or treat. Look at these dogs with costumes and all that. Aren't they just adorable? And this is just a simple waterfall album, so it doesn't have any extra pages in it. If you had a 4x4 photo, that would fit on there. Aren't these cute? Love this paper. Hopefully this inspired you to make something quick and easy for Halloween. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.